name is Kerem Paksoy. I'm the Vice General Director of the DURATEK company, and I'm going to be talking about some certain products about the composites. But first and foremost, I would like to introduce our company. And our company was first and foremost been founded in 1973. It was a distributor, and later on in 1976 it made its first manufacturing, and in 1982 they started to make the manufacturing of the epoxy and licensed epoxy resins with licensed brands. Later on in 1998, the raw materials, epoxy resin, and the adhesives have started to be produced in our own company. Maripox DURATEK know-how. It was bore also the Paksoy chemicals. So it is actually our sister company, DURATEK. Let me do it, please. DURATEK is dealing with construction, industrial paints, composites, and defense industry. Started to give all its products to these different sectors. And the largest sector for us is construction. And besides industrial paintings, water isolation products for pools, for roofs, etc., and also construction chemicals are sold. In the sea, of course, all the maritime devices are either made from timber, steel, or composites. So we are making the structural lamination resins and adhesives of these vehicles, and also we are making the paints of these vehicles as well. Now we have a special project here which I would like to share with you. This is a boat which is about 141 meters long, which has been produced in the Marmaris Bozburun. After it's been manufactured, it's going to be the largest timber boat of the world, and we are giving the resins, the lamination resins of this boat. Even though the project has been going a little bit slow in these days, it is a really large project for us and for our country. As for defense, as for the military, we also have some certain products, which one of them is the most important one. For the Turkish military, we are producing all of we are making fire-resistant floor in our ground covers. So all the flooring coverings or the floorings, first testing was made in Dubai, and we have used the flooring with the first generation of product on this boat. And composites. For composite products, we have some certain molding resins. Epoxy and polyurethane adhesives are also used. And also we are using paintings. We have paintings for lamination and also adhesives. I was talking about different molding methods. We have vacuums, vacuum infusion, RTMs, light RTMs, centrifuge, casting, etc. And they all have different types of a feature. For different features, we have indeed different types of resins. Out of these resins, some of the adhesives features are already been enlisted here on the slide. And for the last product, there are some extra products that is necessary. And during the production, there's also some certain extra necessities as well. We, as DURATEK, are formulating all of these products. For instance, some products need more viscosity, an infusion, less viscosity, minimum viscosity is more likely to be accepted. Exotherms, for instance, sometimes we need a low resin amount for exotherms, etc. All the technical differences are tried to be combined with our products. Particularly in maritime, we are using DURATEK 1000, and it is being used in vacuuming and manual utilization. There are different type of products that make the products rigid. And we also have the Lloyd Register certificate for these products. And vacuum infusion is a product that can be used in under different conditions. But we are particularly using DURATEK 1200 for low viscosity epoxy fiber lamination resins. We have also, it's a system with fast, mid-fast, and slow adhesives. Hardeners, stiffeners actually, rather than adhesives. We have different types of hardeners that we are using. The filament coil is a little bit more different. The filament wrap is made. We are actually bandaging, or we are strapping foils around the coil, which are actually fiber. DURATEK 1300 has been used in epoxy-based low viscosity lamination resins. There's a necessity to reach to a TG value, and you need to have a maturation period for that as well. DURATEK 2400 is again a method, a system that is quite proper to be used in filament wrapping, but how to do it, that can be done with centrifuged casting. Here, you are manufacturing it inside something with the centrifuge method. It's like the fiber is circling inside the pipe, something like a pipe, and later on you put the fiber inside it and you heat it up. This one has more elasticity. 1300 has more elasticity. And from then on, they are cured on room temperature. Now we have also the post-curing for maturation. This product is not being cured in room temperature. It has to be cured on high temperatures. There are 3 different versions of it. KL 790, the highest mechanic resistance, KL 791 and 90, and KL 792 is just in between 729, which is higher elasticity. These 3 products are used in the shafts and pipes and in different materials. You can actually produce different materials with them. Right, of course, you are producing the composite products and you need to bring them up and adhere them. Some cannot be actually brought up mechanically, but chemically. KLM 476DK is actually is a product that has high viscosity for timber, and this is the PVC or polyurethane or different types of materials, interior, outer barks can be adhered. It's a structural adherence where you can adhere parts of the boat. DTM 2204 is a more superior product. It has more higher performance of adherence, which has been used in wind turbines. It has the Lloyd certification, which is actually at the moment pending, but the resistance is very much high. These were rigid productions, but this one is more elastic. This is a polyurethane adherer. Here, the frigoflits flit trucks have high amount of temperatures in the outside, and in the inside they have very low temperature, and there's a necessity to have an elasticity in between the outer part and the inner part. And the composites it can be used in different ways. Well, without further taking your time, I briefly would like to say why you should prefer this product. We are a local company. We are producing it in this region, and we are giving better services on research and development and their services. So you do not need to buy a container. We can give any type of an amount to you according to your needs, or we can come to your field and your location anytime you want. And we are an old company. Since it's an old company, we cannot actually close the company immediately and open up a new one. We are here for years, and if there are any kind of a problem or challenge, we will never let you down. And by the way, as for capacity, we do not have any kind of a problem. We can give all the capacity necessary that can be necessary for you and lend it to you immediately. And these are different civil society institutions that we are members of. It was a quick, actually, presentation. If you have any questions, I'll be more than happy to have them. If not, thank you.